Hey gems, in this video I am doing Y twist or Y twist with the 2-strand twist. I don't really know how to say what this style is called because I literally seen it and decided instead of twisting from the root, I am going to braid from the root and then twist together. So as you can see right here, I parted it and then I started braiding. My motto today is my son. It is hurting him a little bit right here. We're at the edge of his, his edges. And I'm just braiding it down. I'm kind of braiding it into closer to the part going down because I'm going to bring those two cornrows together. As you can see, I have pre-parted and I did do the bottom row. It's just easier when filming to get in the groove of doing the actual style and then pre-parting and starting, so you guys won't be here forever watching me part over and over and over. But as you see right here, I am braiding and I'm just going to keep braiding until I get to the end, and then I'm going to stop. As you see is about to happen here. You see it kind of went towards the part I want the two braids to meet, and then I just start twisting. And I secured each twist with a rubber band. I do comb it out with a wide tooth comb because I don't want it to be tangled within the twist. So I twist all the way down. My son's hair has grown so long since we started, and what people don't know is you can easily start growing your hair out and adding a little extension. If you want to see a video on it, videos that I did use an extension or what hair I used to make it look more natural like it was his, please let me know. But now we haven't used extensions in his head for about 8 months now, so his hair is on the up and up. It's just a growing, and you just see me right here, I'm continuing to braid. I had another pre-part, so each braid will be 2 cornrows going into a twist. With this Y braid, I wanted to kind of freak it out and do a little something different, so I left that part open in the back, and we're going to braid that up, and it's going to be literally a Y braid from the root to the tuta. So as you see, I'm braiding that braid up, and then I'm going to turn him around and do the other two, and they're going to meet this middle braid that is in the back of his head. Right here, you see me parting it, making the part crispy, because if you don't have crispy parts, it's just not going to turn out right, in my opinion. And you just braid it down. You are going to see me kind of playing with it, because I did notice when I got down to both sides after I braided the cornrows that it was very bulky, and it made his twist seem very bulky. So you're gonna see me do that. And of course, if you ever have problems, I wanted to make sure I showed this part, because if you have problems, you want to be able to do it over. You don't want to just keep doing it and it don't turn out right. If something's not feeling right or turning out right, always go and modify the situation and redo it over. So you'll see me here coming down, and I'll show you right when it became a little bit like, how can I fix this to make it look better? And as you can see, I'm trying to figure out how to add the twist inside to make it look good. So you see me taking the back one down a little bit, splitting it apart, and then I'm gonna try to twist it. And this is when I notice it is going to look a little bulky. So I'm gonna see how it look, and you see I was like, no. So I'm taking it down and I'm going to redo it, and you're gonna see how I ended up making this. So you can see that I grabbed the bottom half and then said, nope, I don't like that. So I wanted to show that when you are braiding, it is some things you can bump into when you're trying to get an idea in your head onto the platform. So this idea, I'm realizing, I don't know. Let me go and play with this side and to see how it goes. So if you're a braider and you're learning, it's okay to start over, and it's okay to change how you wanted it due to parting or thickness or whatever the situation is. You're going to see me correct it, and then I'm going to twist. With this section, I am braiding it to go over to the other side of his head. I wanted it to cross over his middle part and is going to join, and then I am going to twist. So I hope you can see that This is why I did all that pre-parting you seen right before this section of the braid. I was parting from the other side so I could make the braid, and as you see right here, I crossed over, and I just wanted to create a new design that I haven't seen, or just something that was different. Once I got done with his entire head, I realized that the twist is nice, but I figured longevity would be more with braids if I just braided it all the way down. So You can either rock this style with twist or with braids. Either way, it'll turn out looking good. But we wanted some longevity, and his hair was just, I didn't like the turnout, but I think too, it was just a little puffy, and my son wanted to lay a little bit more flat, so he wanted me to braid it. We actually did a poll on Instagram on twist or braids, and everybody said braids, so we went with that. And I just still added a rubber band towards the ends of each braid. So as you see right here, I'm taking out every single twist and I am creating a braid at the end. Let me know down in the comments if you liked it with more of the braid look or the twist look, so I'll know which one, and then maybe we'll do another video. Let me know if you want to do another video of Y-strand, 2-strand hairstyle. Also, make sure you follow me on all my platforms, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like, give me a comment, leave some comments down, give me some fire emojis. Let me know if you're going to try this style, if you think this style was fire, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Bye.